seem risky, but when you understand how they work, they can be a powerful financial tool. In this video, we'll break down what a credit card is, smart tips on using it, and what to look for when getting your first credit card. So, what exactly is a credit card? A credit card lets you borrow money from your financial institution to make purchases. But there's a catch. You must pay the money back, and if you don't, you'll owe extra in the form of interest. Think of it this way. You're using someone else's money now with the promise to pay it back later. Sounds easy, right? Well, if you carry a balance every month, overspend beyond your means, or even just pay your minimum payment, then your debt grows quickly and you can't afford to pay it back. How could just the minimum payment get you in trouble? Well, every month your credit card company will ask for a minimum payment, just a small percentage of what you owe. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the truth. If you only pay the minimum, you'll get charged interest on the rest that you owe, and the interest can add up quickly. Here's an example. If you buy something for $500 and only pay the minimum of, say, $25 each month, with a 20% interest added to the rest of the balance, it could take years to pay off, and you'll end up paying way more than the $500 at the end. Here are some tips on how to use a credit card responsibly. 1. Only spend what you can afford to pay back. Think of your credit card like a debit card. If you don't have the money in your account, don't swipe. 2. Pay your balance in full every month. This means that you won't be charged interest and avoid falling into debt. 3. Use your credit card to build your credit and don't buy things you can't afford. Making small purchases and paying them off on time helps you build your credit score, which can help later when applying for loans or even renting an apartment. So, what should you look for when it comes to applying for your first credit card? Here's what to pay attention to. 1. Look for one that has no annual fees. Some cards charge you for just having them open, even if you don't keep a balance on them. 2. See what the interest rate or APR you will be charged with if you keep a balance on the card. A lower APR means less interest piling up in the future. 3. Look for some beginner-friendly features. A secured credit card, where you put down a deposit, is designed to help you build credit from scratch. 4. Does this card come with any rewards like cash back or points? Not all cards have them and might not be worth it if you're carrying a balance and paying interest. 5. Look for any other fees the credit card might carry, like late payment fees or foreign transaction fees. Be sure to read the fine print. Some final tips to keep in mind. 1. Never max out your credit card. Try using less than 30% of your credit limit. 2. Set up automatic payments so that you never miss a due date. 3. Be sure to track your spending so you don't get surprised when your statement arrives. Credit cards are not free money. Used the right way, they can help you build credit and stay financially strong. If you don't, then you'll end up with long-term debt and money stress. So do your research, pick the right card for you, and always pay on time and in full. Thank you for joining us as we helped you understand how credit cards work and how to use them wisely. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more financial literacy videos from Regional Federal Credit Union.